Unraveling the Roots, Panama's deep-seated Afro-Panamanian roots. Welcome back to another episode of Unraveling the Roots, the series that brings to light the profound connections between Africa and the Americas. Today, we're embarking on an exploration of Panama's vibrant Afro-Panamanian heritage, which manifests in music, dance, cuisine, religion, language, and the revolutionary spirit of its people. Let's start with the music and dance. Panamanian music and dance are deeply rooted in Africa. One of the most iconic genres, tamborito, often called the national dance, is rich in African rhythms and movements. Meanwhile, Congo music, brought by slaves who escaped into the jungles of the Atlantic coast, continues to play an important role in cultural festivals. Next, let's explore the cuisine. Panamanian cuisine is a melting pot of indigenous, Spanish, and African influences. One quintessential dish, sancocho, a hearty stew made with root vegetables and chicken, reflects this blend of culinary traditions. Arroz con coco, a deliciously sweet coconut rice, is another Afro-Panamanian favorite. Shifting to religion, like many other regions in the Americas, African spirituality fused with Catholic practices in Panama, resulting in unique religious syncretism. The Congos, communities of escaped slaves, developed their own spiritual practices, merging African cosmologies with Catholic saints and rituals. Let's take a look at the language. Panamanian Spanish has been influenced by various African languages, primarily those from West Africa. You'll find several Afro-Panamanian communities, particularly in the province of Bocas del Toro, still using Creole languages heavily influenced by African linguistic patterns. Now let's delve into the realm of revolutionary figures. Panama's history is rich with Afro-Panamanian revolutionaries who fought for justice and equality. One such notable figure is Victoriano Lorenzo, a peasant leader of African and indigenous descent, who became a symbol of resistance against foreign intervention during the Thousand Days' War. Now let's uncover the links in architecture. Afro-Panamanian architecture is often characterized by the use of materials like bamboo and sugarcane stalks, similar to traditional construction methods in West Africa. The palafitos, stilt houses in the Guna Yala region, show remarkable similarities with similar structures along the West African coast. Finally, let's consider the pre-Columbian connections. Although the vast majority of African ties in Panama can be traced back to the transatlantic slave trade, theories suggest pre-Columbian connections. Similarities in pottery, architecture, and even ancient navigation techniques have led some scholars, such as Ivan van Sertima, to postulate ancient African visits to the Americas. In this episode of Unraveling the Roots, we've explored Panama's deep-seated Afro-Panamanian heritage, uncovering the enduring ties to Africa that continue to shape the country's cultural fabric. As we move forward, we will continue to unravel the fascinating threads that interweave the cultures of Africa and the Americas. Thank you for joining us on this enriching journey. Stay tuned for the next episode as we delve deeper into the diverse and vibrant African diaspora.